Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this video in which we are going to show you how the dynamic chart names are picked in your interactive VBA dashboard, right? So here, a method for creating a dynamic chart with interactive names in an Excel VB dashboard is presented. So, whenever a chart is created in Excel, manually or automatically, a new chart name is generated by Excel. So, you have to, uh, being a professional VBA programmer, you have to devise a way to automatically get it instead of changing each time the new chart name hard coded. So that's it is always better that whatever is the chart name, it picks it automatically and then do the needful the rest of the things which are required to do. Technique we are going to demonstrate you. Imagine Excel dashboard where your charts literally change their titles based on what you click. So that's really something which is very fascinating. That as when the chart title gets changed as per your selections. So uh, in we are going to show you in it. So start with a let's start on the screen. This is our screen, and this chart is automatically created, right? And whatever we have here, okay, for example, our first step is that we select, so first of all, let's delete this chart. Right? It will get recreated automatically. The first thing is you do is you select your user. Okay, as soon as you select the user, the name comes in here through the VLOOKUP of the setup sheet. It has the user ID and the username and other information can be here like email address and other user master data. And this is some parameters which you can use. For example, the rate per day is 5 we have, and this is the date stamp which is going to be placed in here. Okay, so we click go. So this is going to show you that what are the things, because these are the overdues have to be settled. So the next in available, the overdue assignments are to be marked with this date, and these are overdue because this was due in 1978, and now it's being performed in 2025. Okay, so let's click OK. So what we do, it will suggest you, it say that ready to add 5 records. Why 5? Because you have 5 here. Okay, so you click yes. So what it does, so it not only updates those figures, do it updates those figures here, right? And it has taken next the first available things which are not yet performed. So this and the data stamp is marked as 6th of August. That's right. And taken directly whatever is the users that will automatically come into the chart, right? And also each time when the chart is created, the chart has its name. If you click on here, you will see it has a chart name, right? That name has to be stored in the chart, and wherever the chart is referred, so CHRT is being used in here. Okay, so this is how the system dynamically, yeah, because each time when a new chart is created, it has some chart number. So instead of hard coding that chart number each time when you do, that would be not feasible for an automation exercise, right? So let's see what happens if we click here. We delete this and we we click go again. So this time this will become 7th of August, and these dates will be from 20th of July onwards, right? So let's click OK. So and it will stop on the breakpoint which we have placed, right? So you say yes. So this will take us to the breakpoint, and in the breakpoint you can see the chart name. This time it is chart 36 menu. So we want the menu is the sheet name, right? So we want this sheet name to be replaced with nulls. So this is the replace function. This sheet name will be removed, and only chart 36 is going to be stored in this variable chrt and chart 36. So this wherever it is referred, so it will be chart 36, not menu chart 36. It will be only chart 36. So if you click F8, you will see that it's happening. It has selected the chart and put it to the left, increment right. Okay, it's putting, it's positioning the chart. Okay, and that's it. So this is the way we do the chart selection. This is if two things are done dynamically. One, the username is uh, being inserted into the title. Where is it? How it is being inserted? Let's see. So this is the chart, and you can see this is where it is using the Kazasala performance, and this is the username. G G3 in the menu sheet is actually the Amjad Mahmood, right? That's why it is appearing here. Okay, so this is functioning. It is taking the name of the user. And then what is VBCR? VBCR, by entering VBCR with the this sign and it is being told that put a carriage written in here. CR is carriage written, yeah, line feet, yeah, and on the next line write Qada Salah performance, and that's why it is appearing, right? So this how we write the code such that the things which you have made the selection, and so the system dynamically use those information into the title, and also the chart name is picked directly. You don't have to worry that which chart name is it being used at the moment, right? So this is how we do in VBA to automate our things within a dashboard, right? And the placement is also can be you can place the chart by making changes into the code. Appropriate changes are required to be made in here, so that will position the the shape, the chart on your screen accordingly. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.